In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to begin by accessing Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System. Then click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. All you need to do now is click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back and check my keyboard, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!